At Sidi Talim, Chowbara or Bidar, Wisdom School has started gaining achievements at the time of establishment by getting historical record of 178 admissions of the students. Right now, Alhamdulillah, we have more than 1500 students at our campus. It imparts quality education for the all-round development of the children with team of highly qualified, trained and experienced teachers. It has well-equipped classrooms with hygienic environment. New campus has recently constructed for high school and girls behind Urdu Hall. And we have started one more campus for only boys college. Now we are planning to start one more campus for the new academic year only for 5th to 10th standard boys. Wisdom School and College has gained many achievements since 2002 to 2018. This, you can see, this is a pre-primary building where our from Little Angel to 4th standard our children are receiving. This is our PU first. This is our campus from 5th standard to 10th standard as well as PUC first and second year exclusive for girls with residential facilities. Next. This is our PU first year and second year boys residential campus. We have separate hostel for boys and girls with separate classes, even separate campuses. This is one of the major achievement of our institution. Science exhibition which has been held at Hubli, where our institution got second national level award in making science model making competition during 2014 and 15, where more than 50 models have been presented. Among those 450, our model has been selected as second one. Please put your hands together for our science teachers. Where more than 18 states have participated from our country, whereas Gujarat got the first prize and we received second prize. And our students have been given 6,000 rupees as a check with certificates and momentum for the school. Next. This is our SSLC result. Our school result during 2014 and 15 is the highest result in Bidar district, where one of our student, Mr. SAEED Ahmed, has topped in Bidar district, who is the alone Muslim student in Karnataka, who secured 98.8% in SLC examination. And the former DC of that time, Dr. PC Jaffer, has awarded to our student Wisdom School Management is alone Muslim management, who has become first in the state. SAEED Ahmed has secured 10th state rank in SLC board. Mrs. Bushra Jamal has planned with dedicated staff in such a way that we have achieved this success. Put your hands together once for Bushra ma'am. Next. Our students got 100 of 100. Sorry, this is the SLC result of 17 and 18, which brought a new record with a high percentage. Total strength 80, 15 got distinctions and 5 obtained above 90, whereas more than 20 above 80. And one of our students got 100 of 100 in Urdu and 19 in Hindi. Being English medium student, they are performing in different other languages, and even our students have been awarded from Karnataka Academy as well as Urdu Academy the certificates for appreciation. Put your hands together for once our 10 students who have secured 100 of 100 in Urdu and other subjects. Next. Okay. Our students got 100 of 100 in Urdu. Aisha ma'am, who is responsible for teaching Urdu to high school, who taught Urdu to students, because of whom they have got 100 of 100 and got awarded by Urdu Academy. Wisdom Institution has achieved maximum result with minimum strength. Our previous 10th standard students have also been awarded by Kannada Sahitya for 100 of 100. It's a record-breaking result in Bidar history. This is We have special focus on Islamic and Dini Talim as well. For that we have included Arabic in our syllabus, due to which our students secured first rank in district level Khairat competition, which was held in Baghdad, and got the prize for that as well. This is Edocom Smart Class. We have technical support from Edocom Solution Limited in primary school to make learning easier and interesting. We have even the support of TeachNet classes. We have also technical support from TeachNet to make teaching and learning more effective and easy. In the town alone, Wisdom Minority School has connected with technical support. Our institution has incorporated more than 80 lakhs multinational companies in our school and college for students' development. Apart from that, these are the remote for the SAS examination, where 40 students can attempt for the test at once in each and every classes. This is an online test. That facility is also available at our school campus, and this we are using since 5 years. Now recently one more thing has been installed in our campus, that is CCTV surveillance 24/7 in all the campuses for the keen observation over the students for their overall development. This is about sports meet, as we even care for the physical development of our students. So every year we go on planning for a sports meet at Nehru Stadium. This is about 2016 January, whereas next image is next. That is about one more sports meet which has been conducted recently last year in 2017, and this year also we are planning in just 1 or 2 months for this sports meet this year as well. This is about Wisdom Annual Day. We have celebrated Annual Day 2016 for bringing out the talents and remove the stage phobia from the students. And Alhamdulillah, our students did well in this. Our students performed different programs and they were awarded and certificates and trophies under the presence of present MLA Rahim Khan Sahab. It gives a chance to meet you all on every year on this day. So we are even planning for that also this year. Next. Wisdom Institution has organized one-day workshop last year on how to face SSLC exam for the students at Rangmandin here itself. On 15 February 2017, in this program, more than 1,200 students have benefited, and they have come from different parts of our Bidar district and attended this program and availed the benefits. Wisdom Academy has provided the passing package capsule to all the students belonging Kannada medium, Urdu medium and English medium as well as Marathi medium. Which subjects are difficult for them, that capsules have been given to them. Please put your hands together for our Secretary sir, who has given more than 1,200 students capsules of passing packages. Under the presence of DDPI BO, let's take percentage above 85. This is about our school creations. This has been organized recently, in which our students have prepared models and projects. It was the biggest event in Bidar, where talent show program was also conducted for about 2 days, where more than 5,000 people have visited at our campus, and when it has been uploaded to YouTube, more than 25,000 people have watched it and likes and commented over it. More than 1 lakh have likes it in Facebook, Instagram and everywhere. Please put your hands together for the Wisdom creations. Next. This is about World Food Day, which has been celebrated in 2017, where our students have gone to the government hospital Bidar and they have given the food to each and every patient who are existed in the hospital. Please put your hands together for the students who have gone and distributed it. This is because of only to inculcating the love, compassion and the affection for the people in our student. This has been organized by our management. Next. This is about PUC's result during 2015 and 16, which was also a district top result. Next. This is about SAEED ranking result of 2015 and 16. Alhamdulillah, our student Shehbaz Khan secured 619 CG state rank, state medical rank. That was the last year where the medical aspirants were getting the seats through SAEED. Till today, more than 60 students of our Wisdom have got medical seats and more than 600 got engineering within a short period of time, that is since 7 years. Last year, total strength 9, out of which 6 got medical seats and 43 engineering and 32 professional degrees. Our Secretary Mr. Asifuddin sir has planned day and night as well and struggle a lot for the development of our college and students. He is so dedicated, so that he formed a 3-tier system: full-time lecturers, part-time lecturers and guest lecturer visiting weekly from Bijapur, Hyderabad, Bangalore. Please put your hands together once for our Secretary sir, who is planning for your development and fulfilling your desires of becoming engineers or doctors. This is our PUC result of 2017 and 18, where more than 2 students have got above 90 and 18 students are above 80%. Another of our first class. Next. This is our PUC NEET result 2017 and 18. Alhamdulillah, no one can defeat Wisdom in NEET result of this year, especially where 30 students were studying in FTV batch, that is medical batch, where and in medical batch more than 15 students got free medical seats in Breams College, Bidar, KBN, Gulbarga and KIMS in Koppal, and other BDS 2 students got free medical seat. 2 out of 1, that is 2:1. माने 2 बच्चों में से 1 बच्चे को कंपलसरी मेडिकल मिल गया 30 स्टूडेंट्स में से. सो प्लीज इसकी प्लानिंग के लिए भी आसिफ सर का शुक्रिया अदा करने एक बार जोरदार तालियां. तो ये 3-tier सिस्टम की तरफ से हमारा रिजल्ट है, पार्ट टाइमर, फुल टाइमर एंड गेस्ट लेक्चरर्स की तरफ से. दिस इज a new wisdom vision, that wisdom vision of 2025. This is the second step which we have planned, you people already. We have started this year NEET repeaters batch. Alhamdulillah, we have Wisdom NEET repeater batch from this year as per Wisdom vision of 2025 to send more students to medical colleges who did not get medical seat after passing second year. This is our second implication. And our third implication, we are going to even start NEET foundation course. So, PUC pass students, please not to worry if you have not got the medical seat. Just join Wisdom to fulfill your dream to become a doctor. And Alhamdulillah, we have also planned for IIT JEE Foundation for the next month, that is from 7th of September, from 8th standard to 2nd year. So please put your hands together for this Wisdom NEET repeaters batch. Okay. Now next we have Alhamdulillah availability of biology, physics and chemistry labs, where our students learn the many experiments, and Alhamdulillah our institution has center of practical as well as theory examination. And Alhamdulillah, for the purpose of inspiring you people and inculcating the interest to do some other courses except medical engineer, we have invited Mr. Nadeem Khadri, who is IPS, who has secured felicitated Mr. MOHAMMAD Nadeemuddin IPS. He is first Muslim from Bidar selected in civil service examination 2017 by securing 656 rank. Wisdom conducted an interaction program with the student at our campus for developing an attitude of self-confidence and creating interest in civil service examination. Apart from this medical and engineering, this We are only inviting these personalities for the purpose of building a kind of interest in new people also to become IS or IPS. Please give a big hand for Asif sir for inviting such great personalities at our campus. This is Mr. Rahul Shinde, who has also been invited by our Wisdom Management and felicitated, who has secured 95th rank in UPSC examination. Wisdom conducted an interaction program with students at campus for developing an attitude of self-confidence and creating a kind of interest in other fields in you people. We not only care for making only doctors or engineers, but also for IS and IPS. This is the certificate which has been awarded to our Secretary sir for the purpose of imparting the quality education in Bidar. So please put your hands together once for Asif sir. See this, you can see the image under the presence of district in charge minister and other MLAs. He has been awarded. And recently we have even traveled, the students have even traveled on foot for the purpose of collecting that money or donations from the people of Bidar city for sending to Kerala, Hassan and Kodagu district people who have suffered a lot due to flood. And in that our students have participated. Our joint secretary has also joined with us, Mr. Farhan sir. And Alhamdulillah, we collected 49,789 rupees and that have been dispatched to the Kerala and other needy peoples. This is about, we have again, according to our vision of 2025, we have started this year Wisdom Arabic Madrasa, Wisdom Vision 2025, the first implication, we have started Arabic Madrasa for students to make Hafiz with Fahimi Quran. And this Madrasa is unique comparing to other Madrasas because Hafiz with Fahimi Quran is completely different compared to other Madrasas because other Madrasas are only making Hafiz who can only recite Kalam-e-Pak without seeing. But Wisdom Hafiz students are not only Hafiz but also they can understand Kalam-e-Pak because we teach them Arabic language, and for this we have appointed the Mulsa from Darulum Nadwatul Uluma, and for this and Dioban who teach them Arabic language which is not at all taught in any madrasa throughout our country. And Alhamdulillah, please give a big hand for Asif sir because this is a completely different madrasa which you cannot find in any part of our India. And this about parenting classes. We are conducting parenting classes continuously. We have conducted parenting class in 2016 by Tanveer Ahmed sir. He is an administrator of Brainy Star International Schools, Bangalore. He has visited and we have conducted here itself in Rang Mandir. And last year 2017, Manan sir has arrived in Mohal Garden for parenting classes. And this year, Alhamdulillah, we have next image. Saeed sir for parenting classes for inculcating the confidence in people for development. Thank you so much.